Selectivend, your vending solution. For over 85 years, Selectivend has been manufacturing vending machines for both domestic and international customers. Our diverse product line includes ambient snack, cold drink, refrigerated and frozen food, snacks and drink combo, hot coffee, candy, and custom vending machines. Our vending machines are manufactured in the USA by UAW technicians using the best materials, including high-quality steel and top-line wiring and components. Each machine is manufactured with rugged construction. Our products feature ADA-compliant and ADA-ready models for accessibility. Selectivend's products are eco-friendly with low power consumption and feature the latest in electrical, lighting, insulation, refrigeration, and vending technology, making our products some of the most energy-efficient and highest-value vending machines on the market. Our machines utilize industry-leading vending technology for sales and accounting, payment system versatility, and product dispensing flexibility. Selectivend's products are equipped with the patented iVend infrared guaranteed delivery system to ensure that vended products are successfully vended to customers virtually 100% of the time, or the credit is returned to the customer, allowing the customer to purchase a different selection. You will also have dedicated support, including limited parts warranty, lifetime phone technical support, and access to online training resources and a robust network of partner service entities for on-site repair and routine maintenance to keep your vending machine running and profitable. Selectivend, your vending solution.